Okay, this is a nice German grandfather clock. Fairly unique. It's got the dancing girls on the top and nice dial. Another thing that's unique about it, there's little dancing girls in there, dancing dolls I guess. This is a 12 hammer grandfather clock. Most grandfather clocks have 4 hammers, play Westminster chime. This is a 12 hammer clock. It plays Westminster chimes, and it plays, you can select it, it plays Ave Maria, or it plays Beethoven's Ninth Symphony. So it just cleared final test, and I'm getting ready to go install it back in the customer's clock case. So fairly unique, gorgeous clock.